The POCO X7 Pro is poised to be a game-changer in the mid-range smartphone market, offering a host of impressive features and a modern design that appeals to a broad audience. The device is expected to feature a stunning 6.67-inch AMOLED display with a 1.5K plus resolution and a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, delivering vibrant visuals and an immersive viewing experience. Powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8400 Ultra chipset, the POCO X7 Pro promises exceptional performance, ensuring it can handle demanding multitasking, gaming, and productivity needs with ease. The smartphone is also expected to excel in photography, boasting a dual-camera setup with a 50MP main sensor equipped with optical image stabilization, OIS, for sharp and clear images, even in challenging lighting conditions, and a 2MP macro lens for close-up photography. In addition to its performance and camera capabilities, the POCO X7 Pro is designed to cater to users seeking long-lasting battery life and fast-charging solutions. The device is rumored to feature a robust 6,550 mAh battery, which ensures extended usage without frequent recharging, complemented by 90W fast charging for quick top-ups. Running on Android 15 with POCO's HyperOS interface, the smartphone offers a user-friendly and highly customizable software experience, integrating features and optimizations to enhance everyday use. With its blend of cutting-edge technology, premium build quality, and a focus on user needs, the POCO X7 Pro is set to stand out as a strong contender in its segment, appealing to both tech enthusiasts and casual users alike.